Hi guys, teamyugiohfrenzy right here, and I've got a new opening, and it's something I've been really excited about. It's the wind-up Zenmaister tin. I've been really excited about this for one of the reprints. It's not the potted duet, though, because I don't really need it. So yeah. Then you got what's in it, Zenmaister, some advertisements for this. Sorry if the quality's not all that great. Because I'm using my camera. My camera's not the best. Yeah, because my mom's camera's gonna die. And it's the promo pack with the lens in this. Yes, yeah, Secret Rare Wyndham Zenmaister, which I'm happy about. Neo Parsats Sky Paladin, which is good. I don't know why people are dissing on this, because it's a 2300 beater. Pierce, and then your life points are higher if you have Sanctuary in the Sky, and if you're winning the duel, and you gain life points equal to the amount of you're winning as. Archlord Christian, this is the reprint that I was excited about. It's going to work really good in my fairy deck. Gaia, cool, I'm going to try to build E heroes. My friend Eric really needs his tins and potted duality. The second one. So yeah. And then this tin includes packs. 2 Storms, Extreme Victory, and 2 National Force, and the oldest, newest. So I'm going to start off with Storm Ragnarok. So yeah. March towards Ragnarok, rare, Examiner stuff. I'm really just hoping for Odin or something out of this pack. I opened it easily. Yeah, I haven't seen the best pulls out of these. I think I got a hollow here. Gold Facts with Nordic Beasts and Worm King. I don't have Worm King and I needed the Gold Facts, so not bad. Second, let me just get out the rares and stuff. It's good that I got a hollow I didn't have. For these, I'm gonna open this up. Try to show the secret last. Trying to show the hollow. Secret rare. Flammable or Origin, don't have that. I just as Chemister. Strategist and Ancient Flammable Deity. Just trade it. Whoa. Almost showed it. You've got the Fabled Cat Sith, Bellflame, Volcanon, Javelin, and Gunpowder. Yeah, so not the best secret rares out of there. No trash. Then last pack, Extreme Victory. Resonator Call. So yeah. Okay, tin. I didn't get a couple of cards I didn't have out of some of these hidden arsenals. But yeah, for the rares I got were these. The secrets were these 2. And then I got Worm King. So yeah, thanks. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and goodbye.